hear that in the background, but that is racing going on. We are at the track today. We're at XRP. Unfortunately, I forgot my main camera, so I'm gonna have to do this whole thing with the GoPro, but the quarantine is over. We are at what they're calling straight out of quarantine. It's Friday, Saturday, and Sunday racing. We're gonna be here for Friday at least. We're just gonna just have some fun, really. There's no specific purpose to it. I don't have anything to test. We're just gonna try to go as fast as we can. It's gonna be a good old regular fun test day. So we'll try to get some grudge races. There may be a small like 4-car shootout that we may dive into, but for the most part, we're just gonna go out there. I'm gonna turn it all the way up. We're just gonna try to go as fast as we can. So yeah, let's get right to it. I don't know what I can and can't do here, so. Go subscribe. Get the. Seems like we're almost back to normal, I guess. Almost. They say they were limiting how many people come in, or just gonna see what happens?
25%, I think it's 25%. Yeah.
That's a lot of people, though.
yeah, but the whole max capacity is like 8,000, so
oh,
it's
shit.
like 2,000 something.
Yeah. So we got to make a couple of changes. Damn, those little things are loud. Gonna make a couple of changes before we actually go out. I got to turn up the tire pressure a little bit because it's set pretty low for the last time we were out on the street. And then what I'm gonna do is take the calibration settings that we had from Ennis a while back and basically go up a little bit from that, because it was pretty docile on that. It left out good. It didn't 60 as much as we wanted it to, but I think we're gonna pour in a little bit more RPM, a little bit more boost off the line. So I'll look and see what it actually left at on that and target a little bit higher. And I probably won't do a full pass. I really wanna see what we can do in the 60 and the 330 before we really start like straining it to do full boost all the way through. So this first one will be basically just 60 and a 330 and shake it down, see what it does. So that pass really sucked. I changed the settings on the bump, and so it wouldn't actually bump forward. It was a little bit too fine, so it wasn't even moving me forward. So So I changed that back to what it used to be. It should bump fine now. And then the boost that we had into it, or the tire pressure that we were at, made it shake really bad once it actually left. So I don't really know how to fix that, but I'm gonna do another pass and see if it does the same thing. If it does, then I gotta figure out whether I gotta go up in tire pressure or down in tire pressure. So we'll see. I'm just gonna do another one with only those changes and see what it does. This one's gonna be full boost all the way through. So we'll make a change after that. If it shakes real bad, I'll just pedal it and get back into it. Yeah, baby, let's go.
So that one went a lot better than the first one. There was hardly any tire shake. It maybe got a little bit on the way out that you could pretty much only see in the actual tire marks, but I couldn't feel it in the run. It felt perfectly smooth to me. So a step in the right direction. So we figured we'd turn it all the way up. This track is kind of notorious for being extremely sticky. It's a radial prep track. So that's why we were kind of fighting with a little bit of wheel speed, or with a little bit of tire shake. But it seemed like we had that figured out, so I went ahead and poured the power in. What we didn't realize is that our tires were pretty much done, which shouldn't have been surprising because we've had a ton of passes on them. Even when they were brand new, we went on one of the crappiest roads we've ever been on, got a bunch of slices in them. We were on another road like that not too long ago. Tons of street passes, tons of track passes. They're done. It should not have been a surprise to us, but yeah, it was. So turned it up and decided to race our buddy Chris, and this is what happened.
Here we go, baby.
Damn, he almost caught him too. Fuck, dude, he spun so bad.